what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for you guys who are just seeing me for the first time, this is Kionz here. I'm a filmmaker as well as a content creator. So, as for your information, as a content creator, what matters most to most of us is to have a place to produce our content. So, in this episode, I'm going to share with you how am I going to make over this entire small looking room into a mini YouTube studio that is going to look awesome. Alright, so by the way, if you guys haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that now so that it motivates me to do more awesome content for you guys in the future. Right, so guys, are you ready? Let's rock this! First up, I'm gonna get the wall done with this wallpaper. Just get it done one shot, shall we? That's the wall that we're looking at. Now that's a pretty decent study table, isn't it? And have a look, there is 3 drawers right here with a lock. And you know how much is this? This table is less than 100 ringgit. I bought it from Lazada. Plus all these wallpaper, everything inclusive, the shipping, approximately about less than 250 ringgit, crazily cheap, right? So that are the 2 things that I bought for the makeover. And last but not least, every YouTuber build their YouTube studio with lightings. Lightings is a very, very important element. So last thing I'm going to show you is the lightings that I bought to make over this place. Woohoo! So guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the simple makeover video that I just done earlier, from a small tiny little room into a studio like this, a simple setup which consists of a writing desk and wallpaper as well as some LED lightings. So all these are done with a very reasonable price, which is less than 400 ringgit, which means it is less than $100 US. Yep, less than $100 US. We can actually get the setup like this that consists of wallpaper, table, as well as an LED light. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, do hit the subscribe button and share this video to more of your friends so that it will motivate me to do more of this kind of interesting video to help content creator as well as the mass public, alright? And do not forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, as well as there is a Telegram group. All the links are listed below, and for you guys who are in Malaysia, you guys want to buy all this stuff from Lazada, all the links are also described at the description, guys. So hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!